Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter, the Billionaire Designer. Before we go into today's video, please, as much as possible, try to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, because this actually pushes it to more people for them to be able to see what we've done so far and also engage. So today we're going to be discussing how you can convert your logo designs or any logo at all or anything at all that you've done in form of vector, how you can convert it to a 3D in less than 5 seconds. This can be done using an AI tool called Formia. The Formia AI tool is actually one that allows you to upload SVG and convert it to 3D. So this is the site. I'm going to get started now. So what I just need to do is to just click on try it out. So I'll click on try it out and it gives me this. So what this does for you is it allows you to select the theme that you want to work with. So whichever theme you want to work with, the kind of background you want, the kind of more like a template you want your shape to form. So I'll select this one that looks chewy. So as you can see, this is me interacting with the 3D object. So now let's assume I have a logo which I actually want to use for this purpose. No, I don't want to just use a random template that I have here. So what do? Click on this shape here and we'll click here to say upload an SVG logo. So I click on upload SVG logo. Then I have to go and select my logo. So this is the logo I want to use. So I'll click on it. It's already an SVG file. Now, as you can see, the logo has already reflected here. So this is the logo. This is going out of frame. So I just have to make it a bit smaller. And you can see how I was able to convert my SVG file to a 3D in less than 2 or 3 seconds. So in case you want to make some adjustments, maybe you didn't like the way the depth is showing, all you need to do is just scroll to this place where we have size, and you can make your edit. So for instance, I want to make it 0.1, maybe 10. I'll add 0 and I'll press enter. You can see the thickness. If I want to edit this thickness, maybe I want to make it more thicker. So I'll just increase this to maybe 0.9. So you can see that it becomes thicker. The idea is for you to be able to do anything with this 3D AI tool. So I hope this is helpful for you. Kindly let me know in the comment section what you think. Have you tried it out, or are you going to try it? So this saves you a lot of stress of having to go to learn Blender to be able to convert your logos to a 3D form. With this AI tool, you're able to just get it done in few seconds. And by the way, you can also download it. So let me show you where to download. Just come to export, and to ask you the kind of export pattern you want. Do you want it to be do you want the low quality, the medium quality, or the high quality? But for you to use high quality or a transparent quality, it means you have to subscribe. But then I'll just go for medium quality and I'll click on download. So I'll be able to download. I just need to save it on my system. I'll just say 3D logo, and it has been saved. So I'll just go here to open the file. And this is it. Thank you. See you on my next video.